Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, the Daily Forex. In today's video, I'm going to break down with detailed explanation on how to turn a $20 account into $100 in 15 minutes scalping Boom 500 index using the average true range and the RSI indicator. But before I go into that, check out this quick disclaimer. Alright, welcome back and let's get started. I got a recent comment in one of my videos. According to this comment, he or she said that I only make cents per 3 candlestick using a $20 account. He also said I made a profit with a demo account with a lot of equity. Well, that's right, because all traders always use a demo account to practice so that they can better their trading strategy and also their skills, right? So I was motivated by this comment, which led me to make this video to show you guys that it's possible. Alright, I've seen professional traders make 10k from 50-cent account, and that's just amazing, right? That's just wow. Okay, so what I do on my channel is to educate you guys and share the strategy that I use to trade. Okay, and I don't advise anyone to take a trade based on what they see here on my channel. It's for educational purposes only, and there's no strategy that's 100% strategy. Okay, the market don't always go the way we want them. All right, and that's why I plan my trade. I calculate my lot size and how many entries I would take on the market, and I will write down my goal. So if my goal is to meet $100, then I'll create a strategy and I'll follow that strategy to make sure I miss that goal for that trade. So I hope you understand what I just said. So now let me show you guys how it's possible to turn a $20 account into $100 in 15 minutes scalping Boom 500 index with the RSI and the average true range indicator. Alright, so let's get started. So for example, you have a $20 account. The minimum lot size is 0.2. Okay, now we assume we use 0.2 lot size and we are taking 20 entries. Okay, 20 entries for a sell on Boom 500 at a time. Now if you calculate 0.2 times 20, all right, that will give you 4. Okay, so for every 20 entries we take, we are buying the market for a total of $4. Okay, and the candlestick for 0.2 lot size will give us 0.10 cents. Okay, will give us 10 cents. So each candlestick we take for 0.2 in a 1 minute time frame will give us 0.10 cents. Okay, so if we times 0.10 cents times 20 will give us $2. All right, now we entered into 20 entries, right, for a sell. Now if you calculate it, guys, 2 times 5 is 10, right? We're taking 5 candlesticks from the market. So on a 1 minute time frame, we've gotten just $2 because we entered into 20 entries positions. So a total of that will give us $2. Now $2 times 5 candlesticks is about $10 profit. Okay, so if you add the $10 plus your total of $20, that is $30, right? So 10 plus 20 will give us $30. So the total balance we have here is about $20, right? So this $20 was the amount we have in our account before, and this $10 is the profit we made. So together would be equals to $30 total. All right, so now, and if we increase the lot size to 1 lot size, and it will give us about 0.50 cents, which is 50 cents for 1 candlestick's profit. All right, so 1 lot will give us 0.50 cents as profit. Okay, 1 lot size will give us 50 cents as profit. And for example, we take 10 entries at a time for a sell. Okay, with a lot size of 1, and we take 10 entries at a time for a sell, it will be $5 profit. So 10 entries will give us $5 profit. Okay, 10 entries will give us $5 profit for a successful 1 candlesticks. For a successful 1 candlesticks, okay, 1 candlesticks will give us $5 profits. So I hope you understand. We're using a lot size of 1 we're using a lot size of 1, and with that lot size we will get 50 cents as profit for one successful candle ticks. Okay, we will get 50 cents for a lot size of 1. So now if you calculate 50 cents times 10 entries, it will give us $5 as profit. Okay, 50 cents times 10 is $5 profits. And if we get 5 candle ticks successfully on the market, that's going to be $25 profit. Okay, if you calculate it, 5 times 5 is $25. Okay, so for each candle ticks, remember one lot size is 0.50 cents, which is 50 cents, and if you times it by 10, it will give us $5. Okay, and if we times $5 times 5, because we are taking 5 candle ticks from the market in a 1 minute time frame, so if you calculate it, 5 times 5, it's going to be $25 as profits. Okay, for the one lot size of 5 candle ticks. Okay, I hope you understand this. So remember guys, we had $30 in our balance before, right? And now the new profit which we just made with a one lot size on a 1 minute time frame, remember we took 5 candle ticks with a 1 minute time frame, right? We got $25 profit plus $30, that will give us $55, right? So we now have $55 as total, right? So guys, and in another 5-minute trade, now we want to meet up with $100, right? So this is what we're going to do in another 5-minute trade, and if we increase the lot size to 2, right? Now, so now we're now using 2 lot size, right? 2 lot size for this next trade which we are trading, right? So guys, if you use 2 lot size, it will give us $1 as profit for one successful candle ticks, right? So $2 lot size will give you $1 as profit for one successful candle ticks. And if we take 10 entries again, now we're taking 10 entries again for a sale, right? With 2 lot size, we're taking 10 entries for a sale. Okay, so 10 times $1, right? So let's calculate 10 times 1 will give us 10, right? If we calculate 10 times 1 will give us 10. So $10 times 1 is equals to $10, right? $10. So $10 for a total of 10 entries, right? On a 2 lot size, you will get $1 as profit, but we're taking 10 entries. So that 10 entries, now if you calculate it guys, 10 entries, $1, calculate everything together will give us $10 for a successful one candle ticks on a 1 minute time frame. Okay, and if we get 5 candle ticks successfully, that will make it $50. Okay, $50. Now 10 entries times 10 entries guys, $1 times 10, if you times it, $1 profit times 10 entries will give us $10, right? Will give us $10 guys, $10 profits for 10 entries. If we get 5 candle ticks, if we get 5 candle ticks successfully, meaning that we have gotten $50 profits from the market, $50 profit from the market. So remember guys, on our previous trade, okay, this is an illustration, we had $55 in our total balance, plus this $50 right now is giving us, okay, a total balance of $105, right, as profit. $105 as profit guys. So our total balance right now is $105. Okay, so you see with this calculation I just turned $20 into $105 profits guys, and the total time spent on this trade is 15 minutes guys, because on the first trade we took 5 minutes, on the second trade we took another 5 minutes, and on this last trade we took another 5 minutes, making it 15 minutes, because each time we enter into the market we spent 5 minutes just to get 5 successful candles with a strategy. Okay, because we take 5 candles each from a 1 minute time frame. Okay, so guys, to achieve this, you need to create a good strategy. All right, and the one I use to create this illustration is the RSI and the average true range. I'm going to show you the settings I use in my MT5, and it's going to be a quick illustration on the Boom 500 index chart. So guys, remember, this is for educational purposes only, and it is not a financial advice. Okay, this is solely for educational purposes only. All right, so now I'm going to show you the settings I use on my MT5 for the RSI and the average true range. All right, so guys, this is the chart on Boom 500 index, and the indicator which you see right here is the RSI and the average true range. Okay, so these are the settings for the average true range. Period 14, level is 2, then you put on the style 2 pixel, while the color right here is blue, but you can choose on any color of your choice, right? And if you go back real quick, you put on all time frames, then the style is on 2 pixel while the color is red. Okay, so after that, you click on done, as you can see. Then for the RSI, the period on 14 applied to close, while the levels 87 and 10. Okay, then you can put on sell right here just to remember when it's time for a sell signal. Okay, then you put the style right here on 2 pixel while the color is blue. Okay, you put on the color is blue, then you click on done. Okay, so this is the indicator I use, and these are the two levels, the RSI 87 while the average true range. Okay, so how the strategy work is that you can see that this red line is the average true range. Okay, so immediately the average true range crosses above, immediately you see a crossing, you wait for 2 or 3 candlesticks before you enter for a sell position. Okay, so you only take 5 candlesticks from this market, okay, for a scalping. I made a previous video on how I made up to $200 and also $100 on Boom 500 index and Crash 500 index. Okay, so I made profits using these 2 indicators. Okay, I tested it on Crash 500 index and also on Boom 500 index. Okay, you can clearly see that whenever this average true range crosses this line is for a sell signal. Okay, if you wait after 2 candles, you count 5 and you exit the market. Okay, it doesn't mean this strategy will work 100%. Okay, there might be spikes, okay, so that's Forex for you. You don't always predict the exact thing. Okay, the market will not go exactly the way you want it to be. Okay, that's why we implement strategies for the way we trade. Okay, so just as you can see right here, when it crosses above this level, you wait for few candles, for about 2 candles before entering into the market. Okay, you can decide to take the candle each at a time. You know, after taking 1 candles, then you exit, then you enter for another sell position, then you exit, just taking the market just for a better risk management. Okay, however you want to trade it, but I just showed you guys this strategy and these 2 indicators that I use to trade on Boom 500 and make $238, and also on Crash 500 made over $100 from the market. Okay, all right guys, so I just showed you guys how to turn a $20 account into $100 with simple analysis and strategy, which I use the RSI and the average true range indicator. All right, so if you find value in this video and you really enjoy watching this video, do it to like and subscribe to this channel, the Daily Forex. I'll see you guys on the next video.